Hey Ignou fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a question that confuses a lot of students. What's the real difference between an assignment, a project, and a Viva? And more importantly, why does it matter for your studies and grades? Let's dive in. First up,
The assignment
assignment.
tests
We
knowledge through
all know
writing.
these, right? Assignments are primarily written tasks. Think essays, short answers, case studies, problem solving. You're usually putting pen to paper or fingers to keyboard. They are designed for continuous assessment and learning. They help you review topics, reinforce your understanding, and apply what you have learned from your course material. It's about checking your subject knowledge and how well you grasp the concepts. Your evaluation here is mostly on your understanding of the subject matter, the accuracy of your content, and your ability to research and present information clearly. Basically, proving you know your stuff. Tip for assignments: read the questions carefully, cite your sources, and always submit on time.
Project applies
Next,
skills through
let's talk
research. The
about the
Viva
project. This is where things get a little more hands on and in depth. A project is a practical undertaking, often culminating in a detailed report. It's not just about writing answers, it's about doing something and reporting on it. Projects focus on in depth research on a chosen topic. They push you evaluate and apply theories, develop methodologies, and showcase your skill application. It's about seeing how you use your knowledge in a practical scenario. You're assessed not just on your findings, but also your methodology, the process you followed, the skills you demonstrated, and the overall quality of your report. Let's look at the typical steps involved in a project as shown here. Topic selection: choosing an interesting and relevant area, literature review, understanding existing knowledge, data collection, gathering your own information through surveys, experiments, etc., analysis, making sense of the data you have collected, report writing, compiling everything into a comprehensive document.
defends your
Finally,
understanding
we
orally.
have the
Plan your
Viva,
studies
which
smartly.
can sometimes feel a bit intimidating, but it's crucial. The Viva was or Viva is an oral examination. It's a face to face discussion with an examiner. The primary purpose of a Viva is to access your conceptual understanding of your project and the broader subject. It's not just about what you wrote, but what you truly understood and learned. It tests your clarity and defense of your work. Examiners will be looking for your grasp on the project's objectives, methodology, and findings, your ability to explain complex ideas clearly, how well you can answer questions, critically analyze your work, and defend your conclusions, your confidence and communication skills. This graphic perfectly highlights the focus. Your understanding of the project and your conceptual clarity are key here. See, each component plays a unique role in your own overall learning and assessment journey. Knowing these differences helps you prepare more effectively for each one. So, there you have it. Understanding the distinct roles of assignments, projects, and vivas is super important for planning your studies better and acing your Ignou programs. Don't mix them up and tailor your preparation for each. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Ignou Pulse for more study tips and guides. See you in the next video.